After you have the seat taken out, get a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. You probably only need one good flat blade. I got 2 just in case. One of those trim removal tools would probably be nice right now, but I don't have that. So we'll go ahead and get inside the van. And we'll pull the door shut. We'll start by removing the panel. To remove the panel, there's a Phillips screw there, and that'll take this bezel off. And then there's a Phillips screw right there. Golly, you can't really see it, but there's one right there. So we'll take those 2 screws out, and then we'll start popping the panel loose.